What up, YouTube? We back at it, sliding, man. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays to everyone. I know y'all feeling the Christmas spirit right now. I sure am, and I'm feeling good, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it's so crazy. I went to my brother's house yesterday and was super tired. I literally got back home at like 2 in the morning. Probably woke up at like 6. I'm still tired, but I know y'all know these kids asking to open these toys, so we gotta get to it, man. But like I said, we sliding, not hiding. The craziest thing about it is, I swear to y'all, I done got so many more toys in this for these kids, but every day we've been branching off something small because I swear to y'all, dude, they always want a toy and I'll be having it right there. So it's like, you know what? Let me give you the satisfaction. But today's the real day. We have to open everything else. As y'all seen before, they already got their dirt bikes. So that's why we've been sliding like the last dirt trip we went to, because we just got them for Christmas. So everything is about to work out, man. But like I said, we sliding, not hiding. Today about to be a good day. I'm gonna chill out around the house, get some stuff done. But like, I'm gonna update with y'all everything. So if you enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, I'm still trying to go live. We're closer than close. We could sell out before New Year's and go live this New Year's. If not, we'll be forced away. I just be trying to push it up for y'all because I know y'all be anxious and I know y'all can't wait. And I still see some people holding back, but it's good. Once that bike get back complete to me this week and we have the frame, everything complete with a paint set, all that good stuff, y'all gonna get in the win and we're gonna sell out. So if y'all gotta wait, then the ones who gonna wait, man. But just know, we gonna make it happen either way, man. I'm telling y'all. The $5 handlebar giveaway is still going. You can still get in if you wanna get in. If not, it's totally okay. I'm literally not going live until I have those stickers sent out. I got the guy in LA who said they are done. I have to just go back out there and get them. So it's really just the holiday stuff now. So hopefully we can get to them Monday. So stay tuned for that. I will have all the keychains and stickers sent out that haven't been received yet. I'm telling y'all, we getting it in, making it happen. It's only just so much your boy can do in a day. But like I said, I appreciate y'all so much. We done finally got the 10,000 subscribers thanks to y'all, man. Literally, I was literally trying to get there before the new year and we made it. That's why anything is possible. Go for what you want and make it happen, man. I'm telling y'all, you only got one life to live. That's why we got to give it our all every single day, man. You never know when your time is going to come. That's why you got to make it count while you are here on this earth. But like I said, man, we wait on the kids to pull back up. I'm about to go ahead and get their reaction from there. It's up. You already know, man. We about to enjoy the day. We're going to go in the garage, make some stuff shake, get some stuff done and completed. Still today on Christmas, we about to get some stuff done. Yes, sir. We about to get it in and make it count because I'm not entering my new year with stuff still on my plate. I'm trying to knock it out, execute it, make a whole new game plan so we could be having a fresh start coming January. So like I said, stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. What up, man? We back out here sliding. We done made it to the beach, man. We done got the bike out here jointed up. Juiced up, looking good. I started my video hella late, but y'all see we got the joint out here. This thing running so damn good. It's crazy. We got that view though too with the camera. We for sure about to slide. Yeah, this video hella confusing from the way I did it, but we had to get everything on the road. We done made it out here to the beach. Looking good. That's crazy. Oh, I can't wait. It's time to slide though, man. I cannot fucking wait, man. Let's fire this joint up. We gotta get a fucking D&D ASAP, but it's sliding for the meantime, man.